Hello.
I don't know what countries these are from. I think maybe some of them are from Nigeria and Ghana. Okay. But no, YouTube. YouTube. So these are all dresses. These are all dresses. How much?
10 riyal.
10 rial.
Yes.
Okay. You have short ones?
No. Hey, yes.
Okay. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna walk and come back.
What do you are?
I walk and come back.
What
Okay.
are your nationality?
Me, Canada.
Nature.
Canada. Canada.
Cameroon.
Yeah.
Canada.
Yeah. I like this.
Where?
Thank you. I come back.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. And then they have these beautiful ones. Look at different colors. They're so beautiful. Thank you. Sorry? You want to be in the video? You want to be in the video? What is that? What is it? What is it? Speaker?
لا لا هو واحد سيارة مويه
Oh, okay. I'm just here. Not you, don't worry. They have different colors. This is something similar to what I have. She's afraid. Don't worry, not you, just here. Okay? They're so beautiful. They have different colors. They're the dresses that we wear at home. They're really nice. And they're all 10 riyal?
10 riyal.
Yeah, look at this one. That one's really nice. Yeah. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. They're all so nice. Look at this one. Gucci. See that one? It's like the Gucci style. Really nice. Thank you. So they didn't want to be in the video. So I have to respect that. I don't know where it is. Look how these abayas are. Lo سمحت, how much is this one? How much is this one? How much? Oh. How much is 120? Yo, it is dead out here. Hey, kitty. Can I put you on the video? I think I came in the shop before. Look at this. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. It's a little baby. Dope for the little baby. Little tiny ones. And then we have these. This is from Yemen?
Yes, yes.
They're so nice.
Yemen.
These are also from Yemen. I've seen abayas that look like this. And then all of these are from Yemen. These are the pants that we've seen in the last few videos that I was recording here in Al Balad. This is for man or woman? Oh, okay. And then he said this is for Yemen, from Yemen as well. And how much are they?
Yes.
How much? 25. And these pashminas, they're really beautiful. Syria. From where? Yemen? Syria. Oh, for men. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Nice guy. I thought it was going to be livelier at nighttime, but it's not as lively as I thought it was going to be. How much is that abaya? How much? 70 riyal. So he has more abayas in there. What's the price? Like 70, all 70 riyal?
60 riyal.
Some are 60. Okay. So they have a burgundy style. These look really nice. Got plenty of abayas in here. It's a tiny shop.
Clothes is very comfortable and gorgeous.
Yeah.
If you use this, you feel very comfortable.
You feel comfortable. Okay. And it doesn't make you hot. You don't feel hot.
Hard?
Hot. No.
It's soft.
Soft.
And
Yeah.
This is, the clothes is soft.
Yeah. And these are 60 riyal.
60 riyal?
60 riyal?
Now you buy?
No, just for the video.
Okay, next time you coming,
Yeah?
I give you discount.
You're gonna give me a discount. Okay, how about for the people that are watching? You're gonna give them discounts too?
All people.
Everybody gets discounts.
Okay. Sister,
Yeah.
these clothes is very costly and very comfortable.
Yeah.
If
Okay.
you use this, you feel very comfortable.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is the name of the shop. Hello, can I record your shop? Yeah? So this right here. What is the name of this? Shoes?
Name Saudi?
In Arabic, yeah.
Shargi.
Shargi. So these are called shargis. So it comes. And is it leather?
All leather.
All leather. What kind of leather?
Handmade.
Yeah?
Down camel.
Camel. All of them.
Up shape.
All of them are camel.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that one. That one's really beautiful. And it comes in green.
This one.
Only that's camel. Okay, these are not camel.
This different.
Okay.
Up shape. And down rubber.
Oh, sheep and rabbit. So this is all sheep and this is all rabbit. All leather. Completely leather. Even the bottom is leather or plastic?
All leather. Handmade.
Handmade.
Yeah.
Oh, and they have a little tiny one for little boys. It's not for women, right? For men.
Yeah.
It looks really nice. Thank you. Can I put you in the video?
Huh?
Can I put you in the video? Yeah? Thank you. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Ma salam. Bye. What if they have winter jackets here? I'm seeing videos online where people are going in, so I guess maybe now because of the pandemic they're not opening it. Every time I come here I just want to go into this building. But maybe one day. Oh my gosh! Cute baby. Wow, this place looks beautiful.